So we look at the sunlight in Cinema 4D. The sun is another source of light that you can use in Cinema 4D. Let's create a plane and put on a cube. Let's decrease the sizes. Let's just scale it down. Okay. And now bring it up here. And now let's create the sunlight here. Okay, so what the sunlight does is it works the same as the infinite light. You cannot actually change the position of the sunlight. It's just where it is. You can't change it. Okay, but with the sunlight selected, you can actually do some changes to, when it comes to the details, you can change the contrast. Okay, you can change the intensity, which is the photometric intensity. Okay. And when you come to the sun tab, this is where you can change the sun to match a specific time and date. Okay, so let's say I choose this date and I want the time to be around 11:39. Okay, you see that as I'm doing it, the sun is changing to match the location the sun will be at that time. Okay, so that is what the sun light in Cinema 4D is used for. Okay, you can use it to create like the same effect as a normal sun does. And when you render, the object will have a hard shadows because the sun is known to give hard shadows. Okay,